Hey guys, how's it going? So I recently switched to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which has an excellent camera and it really pushes me to click more photos. But I am more of a guy who likes to manually post-process his images. Now while the default Photos app has some great editing tools, it's never quite enough, right? So I was on the hunt to find some great photo editing apps on iOS. And well, I did find some. So I figured why not share the list with you guys. Some of these apps are for advanced and pro grade editing and color grading, while some are for adding multiple effects. And lastly, there are some for making that perfect image for social media. This is one from Guiding Tech, and you're watching my list of the top 7 free photo editors that you should install on your iOS device right now. Let's get started. Okay, so kicking things off, we have Adobe Lightroom. Now I used to recommend Adobe Photoshop Express previously, but I just found Lightroom to be better suited for my personal use case. Lightroom allows you to easily work with raw images and it offers all of its advanced features in a simple slider-based interface. Now these allow you to adjust the light, detail, color, distortion and grain of your photos. I know some of you will say that you need the CC membership for the full feature set, but trust me, the free version is more than enough for most users, especially those who are new to the editing world. Next up, we have VSCO, which combines a camera, a community and some editing features all inside one tool. But that's not the reason why I'm including this thing. I prefer using VSCO simply because of the filters that it comes with. Of course, the app also has standard editing tools like adjustments, cropping, borders and vignettes. That said, VSCO provides a ton of stunning filters. These are soft and subtle filters that add a touch of class to your photos compared to many heavily filtered Instagram presets. And like I said, the community is there too. So if you want to share your great snaps and shots, I feel you would find VSCO's community much more engaging as compared to Instagram, simply because it's built around photography. Now if pro features are all that you're interested in, look no further than Snapseed. I mean seriously, it still baffles me to this date how Google is offering all of those features for free without any ads also. The app gives desktop grade photo editors a run for their money with a huge range of features and an intuitive interface that it packs. It comes with all the classic tools such as cropping, straightening, frames, text, vignettes, etc. There's also selective adjust tool that lets you select a specific area of your photo and adjust the saturation, contrast and brightness of that single point. Honestly, this is the complete solution for beginners and advanced users alike. Next up is a name that you probably might not have heard of, but you should definitely check it out. It's called Afterlight and yeah, it's one of those rising photo editors on the App Store that I love to recommend to folks. The dev calls it an all-in-one feature-packed photo editing app, and I pretty much agree. I mean, you get the usual toolset of editing your images, but then you also get a ton of options to add and customize text. Then there are the 100 plus frames to choose from and tons of great filters that you can customize to suit your needs. And let's not forget, the tons of textures and overlays available here add a unique spin to your image. Okay, now if you're all about installing effects and overlays on your images, you must have heard of Photoleap. I mean, it's one of the best apps in that regard, and if you haven't tried it out, go ahead and check it out right now. One of its most popular features is the ability to blend photos together to create dramatic effects. You can also add graphic elements to your images. Now yes, the features aren't as advanced as the other pro editors on this list, but that helps new users because it makes the app super easy to use and fun too. You can get the paid version here for unlocking more features, but for most users, the free version also has enough editing playroom. Now, how can we talk about photo editors without mentioning one of the most used apps, not just for photo editing, but also for creating amazing posters? I'm sure you must have heard about Canva, and I mean, it just had to be on this list. Like I said, the app is not just for photos, but it's for creating posters and other visuals that you can add to your stories, posts, and whatnot. Just take a photo and start editing with the hundreds of options available inside the app. You can make use of the professional looking filters, vignettes, and much more to make your content stand out. Okay, so Adobe is the gold standard when it comes to photo editing tools. Snapseed has literally the biggest feature set when it comes to, well, editing tools. But they're both mainly catering to advanced users. For new users or fresh learning users, PicsArt is a much easier app to get into and just start editing your images. PicsArt boasts of a ton of features such as photo effects, drawing tools, image editor, collage maker, sticker maker, camera, photo filters and whatnot. You can use it to add frames and stickers and even make dual exposure images super easily. There's a gold membership available, but even the free feature set should be more than enough for most users, no doubt. And well, that was it. As always, you can find the download links to all of the apps that I talked about down there in the description box. Also, if there's a free photo editor app that you use on your phone and you think should have made this list, comment down below and let us know, and we'll include that in our new list coming later. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.